Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Speechley and I'm a Superstar Director with Scentsy. So I have been with Scentsy 15 years as of this month. And I wanted to tell you the very best tool Scentsy has ever given us to help you grow your business is the Host Exclusive Kit. Now this only became available a couple years ago. Oh, I wish we had it 15 years ago. This is a huge, huge opportunity, and I hope you guys are taking advantage of this great opportunity to really grow your business. Okay, there's two ways you can use the Host Flip exclusive kit. First is if you have a host who did a party, whether online, Facebook, text party, whatever type of party you did, home party, you can offer the host to join, and she can use her host rewards to buy the Host Exclusive Kit. Hopefully you can see that. You can see the size. Here's your regular $99 kit. Yes, you get a few clean and laundry samples, extra bar, whatnot. But this $59 kit is still a huge kit. And then, this month during May, we do have the $20 kit also. But look at the difference in size. This is huge. You get all of the testers, catalogs, business supplies that you would in your regular $99 kit. Just a little bit less product. But it's a huge opportunity to offer to the host. Okay, two things to always make sure. One, it is exclusive. Okay, you can only have one per party, so it is exclusive. Two, it's limited time because you are closing the party by this time, so they have to decide. Always make sure to make it limited and exclusive, and it's going to be something more enticing. Okay, you can only do one per party, and you have to know before the party closes. So it is. So make sure to offer it to your host. She already has customers and friends or family that are already ordering Scentsy with her party. She already has the Host Exclusive credit that she can use to buy the Host Exclusive or put towards the Host Exclusive kit. So this is one of your best bets. Okay. If she says no, ask her if anyone else in the party or if she knows anyone that would be interested, because it is such a great opportunity and you only have one, again, and it's limited time. So ask her and hopefully she will. I do have ways of wording it, and even if they say no, like I said, no worries. It is such a great deal. Do you know anyone who may want to take advantage of this great deal? I also do a referral program that if someone joins that you refer, you get a certain X amount of gifts, because you can offer referral gifts. That is okay. So if they say yes, great. If they say no, say that is fine. If you ever change your mind, let me know. Maybe they'll do another party. Anyway, so I will post this. This has what to say privately and things you can say publicly also. Okay, there are a few things that you can and can't say. One, you can never say free or discounted. Okay, you are not giving away a free or discounted kit. You can say no out-of-pocket costs. That is the workaround of how to say it, because they aren't getting it free, because they are using their host rewards to earn it. It is not something that is you are giving them. It is something they have earned. Okay, the second way that I talked about using this Host Exclusive kit is if you have enough orders to put in as a party, offer it to someone. Offer them to be the host and use some of your host rewards, or you don't even have to offer your host rewards. As long as you have a penny in there, you can enter that and they can purchase it for $59. I usually try to give some of mine host rewards to make it more affordable for them or a little more enticing, but that is up to you. But again, actually, let me reword that. I am not giving them my host rewards. I am putting them in as the host, and they can use some of the rewards that I have left over. Hopefully that makes sense. That's work around the wording, that it is not free, it is not discounted. They are the host. They are using their rewards, host rewards, to purchase the exclusive starter kit. Now, I have talked with compliance a couple of times trying to understand what we can and can't say. You just have to be careful. Never offer it free, never offer it discounted. You can say no out-of-pocket costs. That's the workaround. You can say, you can use your host rewards to earn the kit. Just make sure you use how I've written these up and don't substitute words that are not allowed. If you ever have questions, always contact compliance to make sure you're in with compliance. But this is such a great opportunity. Next time you hold a party, whether it's the host, you offer it to the host. Or if she doesn't want it, see if any of her guests or if she knows anyone that wants it. If you are collecting orders and putting it in towards a party, offer someone to become the host so they can get this host exclusive kit. How many times do you put parties in that you are the host? Often, right? You have people coming to you, placing orders. Offer that host exclusive kit. Go down your list of 100, your dream list, your hit list, whatever you call it, your customer list. Find those who are great customers and offer it to them. You never know what blessing Scentsy can be for them. So don't be afraid to be a burden or to talk to someone, because it could be a huge blessing. Scentsy has been a blessing in my life. I know it's been a blessing to many consultants. It's a great opportunity. It's a great product, and this host exclusive kit is a great way for you to grow your team. So make sure to take advantage of it, and for every party you have going in the next year, make sure to offer it to someone. Thanks. Have a great day.